If you've been exploring French music recently, you've likely come across this sound. It's characterized by smooth vocals and danceable beats. It's known as Afrolov or French Afro-Pop, and it has become a staple of the current French music scene. What exactly is it? It's a direct fusion of African rhythms, R&B, and modern French pop. Artists like Tayc, Dadju, and Nakamura have helped bring this specific sound to international audiences. France has long been a crossroads for African and European cultures, and this genre is a clear example of how that exchange translates into music today. It offers a distinct style that adds a lot of variety to any playlist. Let me know in the comments if you already listen to this genre or drop your favorite track.